It's the student Adrián Romero, and this is the demo for the project I have been doing this last month. As well as you know it, this is um, a work that involves a lossless audio compression. First of all, I would like to sorry about the background noise. I'm in a congress. Everyone is talking around me. Well, so let's start with the demo. As you can see, I have all the functions that I have been doing these days. The first function is the predictor. You can read the description and follow all the lines, but I'm not going to explain all the code because there are a lot of lines and well, I have prepared a main function for avoid to explain it everything. So this is the first function. The second one is the preprocessor. The third is the entropy encoder. And the second part of the project is the the same system but inversely. So you have the decoder, a constructor, and there is one left that is post processor. Sorry, that it's before the reconstruction. Okay, so for the demo, we are going to run this main function that will load my audio signal. This is the signal audio input point web. This is the output file that was created in the last running, so I want to delete it. Okay, so now I have I'm going to run the main function. Okay, please make sure. Okay, main. And the input parameters for the main is only the file, the audio file. Okay, input from web. So what it's going to happen next is you will listen the, the audio, and then 10 seconds later, after the processing all the system, you will be able to hear the result of all the compression. Here we are. There will be 10 seconds of more or less of processing. It depends of the on the file. Okay, so as you can hear, there is no difference in the two files. The input file that it wasn't compressed, and the output file that it has been compressed. You can check all the results on the conclusions section, conclusion and results. Sorry, section of my document of my report. Okay, and you will see the compression ratio and other information. And well, the next step would be to find if the wave to represent and plot the input and output wave. Okay, so for this I have prepared this script. This will plot the input file. Okay, and then for the output file I will run this, and you can compare it. This is the input and this is the output file. Okay, so you can check that the signal are exactly the same. I have been looking for the maximum and minimums, but it's almost the same. Okay, so the demo is over. Um, you will understand that my my work has been done in every line of the system. It's not a project where um, you have to represent at the end a lot of information. It's just a question of processing the input file and the output file. So a good way of testing this system is to evaluating if the input and the output file are the same. And as I will show you, uh, it's almost the same. So thank you for watching this demo, and this is the end of my project. Thank you very much. As I told you, my name is Adrian Romero, and well, thank you very much. Bye bye.